Hello, this is Ryan Rivers with HOA Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the MailPoet plugin. So once you've signed into the website, you're on the dashboard, which will be the back end of the website. Go down to MailPoet and select Emails. Now from here, you're going to notice there's 3 types of emails you can send out. You have newsletters, welcome emails, and post notifications. Now to get started, we're going to create a newsletter. So what you'll do is click Add New, select Create for Newsletter, and you'll want to select a template to use. I'm going to stick with a very basic one because that's kind of simple to use. And click Select. And as you can see, there's a subject line, so type in your title. If you want some additional text to that, you can add it as well. Something you're going to notice when we get into the next emails is that this template for making adjustments and editing stays the same. There's a lot of dragging and dropping or hovering and deleting. So once you made your changes that you want, you'll click Next. Make sure the subject line is correct. Select the list you want to send this email out to. So I click WordPress users. And ensure that you're using the correct sender and reply to emails. The reply to, if you don't want to receive replies from this email, then I would leave it blank. If you want, you can schedule this email, specific date and time, or you can not, and you can save it as a draft or go ahead and send it now. So that's for a newsletter. Let's work on welcome emails. So we're going to click on Emails, Add New, Set up Welcome Email. And generally you want to have this set up to when a WordPress user signs up that they receive the email right away. The role should be subscriber because every new user to the website is going to be a subscriber. And you'll click Next. Select a template to use. I'm going to use a basic one. And just like before, this is the same template to make your changes, dragging and dropping, or hovering and deleting, or editing. Once you made your changes, go to Next. Ensure all the information is correct. Sender email is correct. Reply to if you want that. And you can either activate it or save as a draft. Okay, now let's talk about post notifications. So I'm going to go to Add New, Latest Post Notifications, and Set Up. I like to set this up to where it sends out immediately. So once you've created a post to the website, all your users immediately get the email notification from that. So click Next. There's a template already created right here that I've created. But let's click on Select for this generic one. And as before, it uses the same template. All these templates that are used on MailPoet all use the drag and drop or hover and edit or delete. Once you made your edits, click Next. Select the list you want to send it out to. Make sure that information is correct. Sender, reply to, and then either activate or save as draft. When you save it as a draft, you can come back and activate it later. I'll show you how to do that. You'll click on Emails. Let's go post notifications. We created a few for those. It's going to show you some problems like right here. I have not selected a list to send it to. So let's say we want to fix that. We'll click Edit. Go to Next. And a list. So we need WordPress users. And then we would activate it. So that's how to activate if it's deactive or if there's an issue with the email itself. Something to be careful of for post notifications is that we're not sending out multiple emails at the same time. So you can see I have 4 notifications set up. I only have 2 that are active. So these 2 are active. So if I want to delete it, I can easily delete it by moving it to the trash. Let's say we want to keep this for maybe a later template. Maybe it's a certain time of year you're going to use this template. Then we'll just click active and select non-active. Only 1 email will be sent out per post notification. And now you won't have to worry about having multiple emails sent out for the same post, because that's what's going to happen if you have 4 that are active. Okay, next let's talk about subscribers. On this page, this is where we're going to view all your subscribers. If you see this little submenu bar, you can click on subscribed, the unconfirmed list, or unsubscribed list. For now, we're going to hover over the all list. It's going to show you all your subscribers and whether they are unsubscribed, unconfirmed, or if they're bounced. That will not be an issue for this because there's a lot of manual input on this one, or for your website in general. So now you can see the list of your current subscribers. How do you import or add to your list? From the subscribers page, which we are here now, click import. So you can either select paste data into box, which will be your raw data. So if you have all your emails listed out, you can just copy and paste. You'll need to put commas in between each email, or you can upload a CSV file. You can additionally, from the subscribers page, add a subscriber manually. This will be if you had to add just one person. This is what I would do. I wouldn't add multiple people this way. It takes a lot of time. You just type in their information, the list. There's only one list right now, so it's going to automatically put them in the WordPress subscribers list. You don't need to worry about that. Make sure they're unsubscribed, and then click Save. So once a new user signs up to the website, they're in the subscriber category, but they're not added to the list yet. So to add a subscriber to the list, once they've signed up, you'll go to Lists and WordPress Users. So you'll highlight over WordPress Users and click Force Sync. So if you have 40 people that signed up to the website today and you're not seeing any of them that are appearing on a subscriber list, don't worry. All you have to do is go to Lists and do the Force Sync, which we just did. That finishes up this video about MailPoet. If you have any questions, please let us know.